You've got some extra cash after paying bills and you're wondering, where should I invest first? My name is Pete, and I spend way too much time thinking about how to make smart financial moves that actually stick. If you're overwhelmed by the investing order, hit subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if it helps. Here's the smartest order to invest your money. 1. Emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account. 2. 401k. Match. If your employer offers one, contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. 3. High-interest debt. Pay off anything over 6.7%. That's draining you faster than investments can grow. 4. Roth IRA. Max out $6,500 a year. It grows tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free too. 5. Back to 401k. If you can, keep contributing up to the full $23,000 limit. 6. HSA. Triple tax benefit if you're eligible. It's a secret weapon for retirement. 7. Brokerage account. For goals like early retirement or buying a home. Index funds. Long-term play. Each step builds on the last. Follow the order, stop second-guessing, and watch your wealth grow. Drop a comment. What step are you on? Let's build this future.